Okay, let's do another example of finding the inverse. So, what are we going to do? Okay, step number 1, replace f of x with y, or by y, whatever you want to say. So y equals 3 minus x over x plus 3. Now we're going to interchange x and y. So now we're going to write it as x equals 3 minus y over, y plus 3. And now what we're going to do is we're going to solve for y. So how do we do that? Well, we're going to try to get y on one side, x on the other, right? So, or everything else on the other. So now I'm going to multiply both sides by x plus 3. Excuse me, I said x plus 3, y plus 3. So I'll multiply both sides by y plus 3, so that's going to go away. So now I get y plus 3 times x is equal to 3 minus y. Now I'm going to distribute the x. So now the x, this is going to go to what? yx plus 3x equals 3 minus y. Now I'm going to what? Yeah. So now, how do I do this? Oh, now I'm going to move everything over. So what I'm going to get is, let me see how. So y, so I'll get y, so I'm going to add y to both sides. Yeah, let's do that. Add y to both sides, so that's going to be yx plus y plus 3x, right? Now, what I'm going to do also is, let's do this. So I'm going to add y to both sides here. Let's go back. So I'm adding y, right? And then I'm also going to subtract 3x from both sides. And so what happens is, now here, what do I get? I get yx plus y on one side. I get 3 minus 3x on the other side. Okay, so now let's go back, let's go up to here, right? Now here, I've got a common factor of y. That's what I want. I'm trying to isolate the y. So I'm going to factor out the y. That's going to give me y times x plus 1 is equal to, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out the 3 here. And then I'm going to get 3 times 1 minus x, right? And now look at that. All I have to do is divide both sides by x plus 1. And I get y equals 3 times, 1 minus x divided by x minus 1. And now I'm going to replace y by f inverse of x. All right. Oh, by the way, one last thing. Don't forget that, Well, you know what? I'll say that for the next video. Have a good day.